Dear students, from today we will be starting some of the new module series on CS impact, computer science impact. So in this first module, we will be discussing the computer science impact on the society. So when we realize or analyze the impact of computer science on the society, we can identify that computer science has positively and negatively affected our society. So what are the positive impact? It has improved the communication. So now you are able to communicate sitting in Pakistan to a friend in Europe or America. So this is computer science that has made the networks and the internet and through which you can communicate. Then it has increased access to educational information via the internet. For example, in virtual university, you are studying this course using internet by sitting at your hometown. So you do not need to move to the place of the university where it is situated actually. And similarly, there are different universities in the world who are delivering such lectures, such videos to their students or wider audience. So this means the educational content is on your fingertips that you can view, you can search, you can identify about your particular needs. Then it has increased the productivity. So initially we were only able to write manually a few pages, but today we can write the similar thing online, and that online can be done very rapidly. So for example, I know one of the university, they were writing the degrees, their master's degrees or their PhD degrees as handwritten. So the person, the manual person who was writing all of those degrees can only write 5 to 6 degrees in one day because it needs a very neat and clean way of writing. However, today we have implemented computer science to replace that human with the computer science, and we can even take print of the same font size or same font name within few seconds, and we can print 100 of degrees in one day, and in similarly as in other domains. Then it has exponential business growth. You can well manage the business, you can administer that where what are basically the products being sold, how your employees are working. For example, with a camera you can see anywhere. If even you are a employer and you have moved to some other location, with the camera you can see that what your employees are doing at the moment. So this is computer science. Similarly, you can generate reports, you can manage your business very well. And then faster response times, for example, emails, instant messages. So in the previous years, historical years, when you want to send message to someone, so there were different ways. So some of the messages were sent on horses. There were some of the messages were sent on, for example, post offices. So they take long period of time. So today you can instantly send a message, and that can be viewed and read by someone sitting at a very far place instantly, simultaneously at the same time. So what are the negative impacts? Similarly, computer science have impacted negatively on society. It has ties to increase the obesity because you are sitting, you are not working very hard, you are not working manually, so you are always sitting, and it has increased the chances of obesity. Then exposure to inappropriate material via the internet. So you are exposed to flood of information and to flood of that content which you do not want to see anyway, or you want to forbid your children to see that content. But today, as we are in an open web, so everything is available, so that kind of inappropriate content is available to you as well. It has increased crime and access to private information. So all type of online transactions and online crime, online theft have started. So today, as the bank accounts are available online, you can hack that account and can transfer all of the money to your own account. And potential over dependency on technology, so it has already increased. So if this technology fails at time, then we might not be as efficient as we would be if we are doing the manual work. We would be forgetting all of those things. So let's summarize today's module. We have learned computer science impact on society. We have seen the positive and negative both kind of impacts.